everybody! It's always a good time with us! I'm Lucy and this is...
Sam! Hey!
Woke up on the right side of the bed.
So we've just been getting dressed up.
And finally, Sam looks good! Look at her!
Mwah.
I actually put real makeup on this time instead of just putting anything on. But we're going to a fishing trip party! So that's why I look
Fairy
good.
bread, and there's one boy gonna be there. One.
And
he's
he's
going to be Andrew.
But there might be a boy called Nick.
And me and her like him.
Well, we like Nick, not Andrew.
No, not Andrew. No, sorry.
Whoa!
So,
Say goodbye.
no! Just kidding.
She's kidding. So, our next episode is also going to be mad!
As she was saying, our next
It's
episode,
gonna be awesome!
Hey, get me out of here! I'm locked in the closet! Alright, so I just had to lock her in the closet for a second.
I just wanted to say,
Duct tape. Rope. Okay. Oh, she's hopping over here. So, remember, if you don't like this, like us.
and if you like this,